Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can use the Magic Eraser in Google Photos, so let's get right into it. Now, Magic Eraser is available for Google One members and all Pixel owners, and it uses AI to detect distractions in your photos, like people, so that you can remove them in a few taps. And to use it, it is very simple. What you need to do is open up the Google Photos app and tap the photo you want to edit, and then tap edit, and the Magic Eraser can be found in the Tools tab, or for some specific photos with a lot of people in them, it'll appear in the Suggestions tab, and you can use it from there. And you just have to tap on that, and then that should work its magic using the AI algorithms, and it should hide the people or other distractions in your photos, and you will be able to edit your photos that way. Now, if you can't find it on Android, what you need to do is make sure you're connected to Wi-Fi and have available storage. In Photos, you need to select an image and tap Edit, and you may get an update notification. And after a few minutes, close and reopen the app. You can even force close it through the settings. And then to check the tools again, you just select the image and tap Edit again. Now, on iOS, it is pretty much the same. However, make sure you're connected to Wi-Fi and have at least 50% battery and available storage. Then open up Google Photos and leave it open for a few minutes. Then select an image and tap Edit, and the tools should appear. And if you can't find them, repeat the steps and leave the app open for longer. And that is pretty much it. Now, to edit the photos with Magic Eraser, for some photo, it'll give you an AI-powered suggestion for people or power lines to erase from a photo. You can just tap Erase All to remove all suggested distractions. If the suggestions do not appear and you have additional distractions you want to remove, you just need to circle or brush them manually to erase them, and then tap Done to confirm your edits. Tap Save Copy to save your photo, and that's it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.